Welcome to Soft Speak's Camp Kitchen. Looking for a snack at the campground? How about some tasty nachos, cooked in the cook-it-all? And we're enjoying a late summer's day at McKinney Campground on Lake Allatoona. Such a simple thing to make. A layer of nachos, a layer of cheese, some minced jalapenos, and we'll just bake it for a little bit. You can see the lid is resting on the iron cook stand. In our previous video, we showed it to you just after one usage. This morning, we made some breakfast in the campfire, and as you can see, it looks a bit different. Well, this is after one usage in the campfire. Not sure if it's going to hold up over time, but yeah, it sure is helpful. Is it worth it? Well, I'll let you decide that. I think it is. The cheese is starting to melt. Yum. Now my husband doesn't like beans, and I do. So I'm using my 2-quart Dutch oven to heat up some refried beans with cheese. So we're ready to go. Just some toppings now. Some salsa, and yeah, I should have used some homemade salsa, but hey, that's what I had on hand. Some chopped green onion and some extra cheese makes it really delicious. And then we'll serve it with a side of refried beans and sour cream. Thank you for watching our video on campground nachos.